Hi, this is my Short USA mp5 and I'm going to demonstrate how to shoot it. I'm going to finish it. One bad thing about the clip is that you gotta shake this up in here. You gotta wind it, and it breaks easily. And that's about it.